Yeah, catfish. There we go.
There we go.
There you go. No, you go ahead. Bring them on in. Bring them on in. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, we go.
Catfish sandwich.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Catfish man right
Yeah. Ice is broken. Did he just go on?
I don't think he did. I hope not.
Yeah, he can't. It looked like he popped off.
Oh, son of a gun.
Yeah, you got. Tighten that drag up. Yeah, that should be good right there. You don't want it too loose. You want to be a set that hook in their mouth and keep it going.
All right, rinse and repeat.
Yup.
Come on, fishy.
Oh yeah, that looks like a good one.
Oh, he fighting the current too, so.
Oh, he like a shark.
Yeah, get her.
Keep
Just like a shark.
Ooh. All right, so that's what he said. Don't fry me.
Wait, no, that's wrong. Wait, is it right? No, that's right. Stupid camera. There you go. Come on now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Josh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you pulling drag.
he got some fight.
Oh, snap. Watch my pole too.
Come on, me on cat.
Nah, you gotta be my man.
No, you good. I think we tangled up, but go ahead.
Oh, we tangled up.
Yeah, keep reeling though. Don't trip. Keep going. You got a nice one now.
Oh, I got him.
You got your one too, Tuck. There you go. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Bring him up here.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll take care of the rest later. You got your one, Tuck? Ah! Double it up.
Double up. Oh man, we got some fight to him.
Okay. Yeah.
Man. Ah man, fighting the
There we
current
go.
and the fish.
Okay. Cool.
Oh man, hot. I hit a love and the current there. Man, this is a tough fight. This current and this fish.
I feel like it's a bigger fish.
Yeah.
Come on, I hope it is. I feel the head shake.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's swimming.
He's skimming up on the top.
There we go. Good eating sign. Tighten that drag up.
Oh, he won.
Hopefully he's
He won.
oh, you got it.
He won.
Go ahead.
That's good. That's good. You don't want it super tight. Oh, he just popped
Oh,
off.
did he pop off?
He
No,
won.
he didn't.
Yeah.
Did he? Oh shit.
Yeah, he
I
popped
pulled it
off.
right off his mouth. Oh, Every time you shit. fuck with the drag, they come on. Now, Captain Greg, I ain't trying to bother you, but you see the cane. I cranked from the right side.
You want the other hand?
Yeah.
Man, that's
yeah,
too easy. Oh man, I wasn't recording that whole time. What? Damn. Ain't that crazy?
Really? All right. Well.
That's how they do it. Yeah. Oh man. Yes, indeed.
Oh yeah, I feel him here. Shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, he nice. He nice. Take your time. Yeah, he's nice. Oh, he's nice. He's nice. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's your 10-pounder right there. Come on. Boom.
Woo! Right in the neck. Hey, mine right here. The sandwich right here for daddy. Oh, hold up. Let me
Now he hit the cut bait. He hit the cut bait.
cut
Yeah.
bait.
So we got plenty of that.
Got a palm meat, though. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, there go your 10-pounder right there.
Fish your ass, Mr. Catfish. Yeah. I'm about hung in the net, but hey.
Hey.
Let me grip that. Yeah. Ah, the death grip on it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, wow, right in the top of the lip. That was beautiful.
Yes, indeed.
Hey.
Good stuff. Double, baby.
There you go. Oh.
No, is he? No, he's still on there. Yeah, he just ain't no 10 pounds, but he on there. Yeah.
Solid, dog.
Okay, double up.
Solid.
Good pair right there. Nice. Nice.
Oh, let me get my fish off first,
Yeah,
man. Screw
man.
y'all.
Look you got
Screw
the-
y'all. I'm first. All right, I'm
Careful
first.
of that one, man, because that's the worst one.
God, man, it's like a fucking, the one look like a swimming with your dick.
Yeah. You need some help?
Yeah.
I got
I'm
you.
sorry, Josh. Hold on, man. Here you go.
Yeah. Bring them on in. Yeah.
Go.
Man, we got craziness. Everybody got one right now. We got 4 fish in a boat at the same time.
Crazy, dog.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it.
You say you want to use a reason? Fast break. Hey, now, there you go.
Put the fast break in the middle.
Oh, that's a nice one. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Solid 8-pounder. Good job. Yeah.
What the hell, man? Oh, thank you, yo.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
What the fuck, man? Man, bite my candy, dog. Man, I'm putting you up, man. You smell that peanut butter. Hey, bring that, man. Hey, dang, man.
Not bad,
No,
man. I ain't
okay.
mad at it.
That's all me right there, buddy. That's cool. Some chunky ones.